What is the age to get a child a smartphone? Is it right for children to go to school with their smartphone? Is it even right for children to be seen carrying about a smartphone? Whether your child has a smartphone or not, eventually they are going to have one. The rate of smartphone penetration among children is becoming overwhelming. And if nothing is done about getting the child to learn about right and effective use of the smartphone, we will as well be sending our child on a trip to becoming useless. The smartphone actually has so many things that it can be used for the good and the advantage of the user. In fact, the producers of these devices actually are producing it to make things easier for you, to make life easier for the users. But when the child does not know how to harness the potentials of this smartphone for his or her advantage, then an abuse is inevitable. Children are yet really to be acquainted with the smartphone technology. In school, they are taught ICT, which has to do with laptops and computers. But you will find out that they find it more easier to access a smartphone. If it's not theirs, then their parents. What are they going to be doing with it? Parents are always scared when their children are with a smartphone because they fear they might break it or do something to cause a malfunction. It is not supposed to be so. You can actually get your child to learn how to use the smartphone effectively. You can actually be at rest whenever your child is with the phone because he has been equipped, or he or she knows how to use that smartphone to his advantage. When education on smartphone technology is not imparted early to the child, they are going to be addicted to the smartphone. They are going to be addicted to social media, which is going to be a threat to their moral values. There are so many people in the internet. There are so many things that can be accessed using the internet. In fact, the parents' most concern is that the children are going to be accessing pornographic sites with the smartphone once they have access to one. But the children can also have access to things that can actually help them to improve on their academic performance, increase their mental ability, and even fuel their passion. Look at this boy. His name is Ryan Kanji. He has the fastest growing YouTube channel and has been rated twice in 2019 and 2020 the best paid YouTuber because the parents channeled his energy right on how to use YouTube. There are so many children like Ryan, and your child can also be so. And that is why we are proposing Smartphone Productivity Club, where we are going to be teaching your children how to use their smartphones effectively. We are going to be teaching them skills that can acquire using the smartphone and also explore or utilize the skill to, number one, improve their academic performance, number two, boost their mental capability, and finally, fuel their passion. This technology, actually, like I said, is meant for good. It is only when a child is not guided on right usage, and if the child is not influenced to take an informed decision on effective and productive use of the smartphone, that you should be concerned as a parent what your child is doing with their smartphone. If you want to learn more about enrolling your child or more about smartphone productivity, you might want to click the link below and we will be there waiting to hear from you.